Hi everyone, in this video we will show you whether you can use the Samsung Smart Tag 2 as a car tracker. First, make sure you have a Samsung Smart Tag 2 and a compatible Samsung Galaxy phone with Bluetooth enabled. If you haven't already, download and install the SmartThings app from the Galaxy Store or Google Play Store. Open the SmartThings app and sign in with your Samsung account. Now tap the plus icon and select Add Device. Turn on your Smart Tag 2 and place it close to your phone. When the Smart Tag 2 appears on the screen, tap Add and follow the setup instructions. During the setup process, you may be asked to grant permissions such as Bluetooth and location access. Allow these permissions so the tag can work properly. Once the pairing process is complete, assign a name to the tag such as My Car or Car Tracker, and choose an icon if desired. Now place the Smart Tag 2 inside your vehicle in a secure and discreet location, such as the glove compartment, center console, seat pocket, or another hidden area. Make sure the tag is placed where it won't be easily noticed, damaged, or accidentally removed. After placing the tag in your car, open the SmartThings app and select the Smart Tag 2 from your device list. Here you can view the tag's current or last reported location, battery status, and available tracking options. Next, open SmartThings Find within the app to see your vehicle's location on the map. You can also enable notifications and other tracking features if they are available for your device and region. If you ever forget where you parked, open the SmartThings app and check the tag's last known location. You can also use the ring feature to make the Smart Tag 2 play a sound when you're close to the vehicle and need help locating it. Keep in mind that the Smart Tag 2 does not have its own GPS or mobile data connection. Instead, it uses Samsung's SmartThings Find network, which relies on nearby Samsung Galaxy devices to securely detect the tag and update its location. Because of this, location updates may be more accurate in areas where many Samsung devices are present and less frequent in remote locations. You can also periodically check the battery level in the SmartThings app and replace the battery when needed to keep tracking active. Once everything is set up, you can use the SmartThings app at any time to monitor your car's last reported location and help locate your vehicle when needed. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.